Do you know that assault and battery are two different charges? Most people don't, and that can cause people to be confused about their rights and legal options. I'm attorney Kara Stein Conaway with the Stein Conaway Law Firm. We help people facing assault and battery charges, along with other criminal cases, in the San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara County courts. Today, I will explain the difference between assault and battery charges under California law. Assault and battery are often mentioned together, but under California law, they're actually two separate crimes with different legal definitions and consequences. California Penal Code Section 240 defines misdemeanor assault as follows. An assault is an unlawful attempt coupled with a present ability to commit a violent injury on the person of another. That means no physical contact is required for an assault. It's about the attempt and the present ability to commit a violent injury on another person that matters with an assault. California Penal Code Section 242 defines misdemeanor battery and states, a battery is a willful and unlawful use of force upon the person of another. Use of force or violence means a physical contact did happen. For example, if someone throws a punch and misses, depending on the context, that could be an assault. If they throw a punch and land it, depending on the context, that could be a battery. If they do both, a person could be facing both assault and battery charges. In California, assault and battery can be charged as misdemeanors or felonies, depending on several factors. Some of those factors include, was a weapon used? Did the alleged victim suffer serious injuries? Does the person being accused of an assault or a battery have a previous criminal conviction on their record? Did the alleged victim hold a role or relationship that gives them special legal protection, like being a police officer, an emergency responder, or being a spouse or a cohabitant? And here's something important. If the assault or battery is alleged to have been committed against a spouse, cohabitant, dating partner, or other intimate partner, it's likely to be charged as a case of domestic violence. If you want to better understand how these cases are treated under California law, I encourage you to check out our video series on domestic violence charges on our YouTube channel. Those videos are a helpful resource if you or someone you care about is facing allegations of domestic violence. Why is it important to understand the difference between an assault and a battery? Because assault and battery have different available legal defenses, and those defenses impact your attorney's legal strategy for your case. The development of those defenses will influence how your case proceeds in court and ultimately the penalties you may face. At the Stein Conaway Law Firm, we care not only about getting the best outcome in your legal case, we also care about you as a whole person. If you are an innocent person and you've been accused of an assault or a battery, you're likely feeling overwhelmed, anxious, and scared. You are not wrong for feeling that way, but you don't have to go through it alone. With the right support and the right legal guidance, you can start to regain a sense of control and direction. If you are a person who has made a mistake, you may be feeling ashamed and hopeless. Having those feelings is understandable, but your life does not need to be defined by your worst moment. You can create a shift so that you are leading the type of life that you can be proud to lead. And you deserve to feel supported while you do the hard work needed to live a better life on the other side of this. Whether you're fighting for justice or trying to grow from a mistake, one of the most helpful things you can do right now is to focus on what you can control. That means shifting your mindset when you're dealing with legal stress. You can't control what others think or what already happened, but you can control how you respond, how you talk to yourself, and the actions you're taking moving forward. Focus on small, grounded steps, like getting the right legal advice, making informed decisions, and getting emotional support, and practicing self-kindness. Repeating the phrase, "I focus on what I can control," won't solve everything overnight, but it can help bring greater peace during this challenging time. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you better understand the difference between assault and battery charges in California. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an important legal tip. And if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. My team and I are happy to help.